Today I'm gonna show you how to make salted fish my own way. So let's join with me. This fish is a seawater fish. I don't really know exactly the name. I guess this is what people call as green. So just see how I do. This is my own way of doing. First of all, we have to remove the scale. And then we have to slice. I prefer using small knife better. If you do not know how to use small knife, you can always use bigger one. To remove the gills, this very dirty part, and the stomach. To remove the scale and the stomach, then we have to wash it clean, thoroughly clean. Following step, I'm going to crush the garlic. We have to chop it. And we have to put inside, mix with the fish. This one will add more fragrance to the salted fish. Remove the fishy smell, as well as ground white pepper. Next step is to make the brine, salty brine, to preserve the fish. My fish is not so salty. I prefer it that way. And I'm going to add in, this is drinking water. the fish. Done. I'm going to leave this for about 2 days, then I will dry it under the sun. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you that today I'm going to sun dry this salted fish that I've been preserved for 2 days. So let's join with me as to how I'm going to do it. I just display it here. The smell are so good with the combination of garlic and the ground white pepper. That's the purpose that we put this together with the garlic, to add more aroma to the salted fish. It's very simple. Hopefully the sun will be good today and it will be dry soon. Okay, I'm going to show you, this is my style. I used to cover my salted fish or anything that I dry under the sun is to prevent it from flies, so it will be clean. So I'm going to cover it with this netting and leave it dry under the sun. It and put it here. Okay, I'm gonna prepare this bittergourd. In the meantime, we start the flame. Slice it. Apa kabar teman-teman? Di sini cuaca di tempat Aunty sangat panas. Dari pagi sampai malam. Sangat panas. Itulah Aunty nak masak nih, masak rebus. Untuk menurunkan suhu badan. Nih bagus nih buah periak nih, sebabnya pahit. Memang bagus untuk kesihatan. Oke, Aunty nak masukkan ikan masin biar direbus dulu. Sekarang Aunty nak tumbuk bawang Cili Aunty tak tumbuk, Aunty simpan macam tu saja. Aunty tidak mau terlampau pedas sebab cuaca sangat panas. Okey, very simple. Ini saja, macam ini saja. Okey. Kita masukkan ke dalam periuk ikan masin. Very simple, tapi sedap. Ini adalah resipi legend orang tua juga. Masakan rebus bagus untuk kesihatan ya, sahabat. Oke, stay tune guys. Biarkannya masak terus sampai buah pare itu lembut dan ikan masin ini pun lembut juga. Itu sudah sedap. Oke, stay tune guys. Ikuti ya, tonton sampai habis ya teman-teman. Stay tune guys, watch until full Okay. This is tamarind. I'm gonna mix inside the soup that I cook salted fish with the bittergourd to balance the taste. Ini adalah asam jawa yang Aunty akan campur dalam sup Sup ikan masin bercampur dengan periak. Oh, boiling already. It start boiling. Pour in the tamarind juice. Okay, that's it. No need to be too sour. This is just to balance the taste. Wow, very nice soup. Oh, the salted fish smells so good. Sedap sup ni tau. Rasanya pahit, masin ikan masin dan sedikit masam asam jawa. Rasanya sangat enak teman-teman. Ini adalah masakan sup terjun kata kami orang di Sarawak. Masakan Borneo. Ataupun resepi bening bagi teman-teman di Indonesia. Bening dengan sup terjun adalah sama maksudnya. Perkataan yang lain saja. Ini dia. Inilah kesudahannya masakan Aunty ya. Sudah masak, supnya enak, masin, ada sedikit masin, tak terlampau masin, ada sedikit masam sebab ada asam jawa dan pahit buah periak. Ini bagus untuk kesihatan tau. Untuk mengurangkan panas badan kita. Lebih-lebih lagi ini pria pahit nih. Mantap, sedap. Terima kasih teman-teman dan nonton. Jangan lupa ya sokong channel Aunty. Yang belum subscribe, Aunty harapkan sokongan. Subscribe, like, komen dan share. Dan share lah resipi Aunty ini ya. Sebanyak-banyak yang boleh. Ini dia cili tadi ya. Tu dia. Begitulah. Share ya. Dan boleh coba resipi ini. Sedap tau. Terima kasih sudah nonton. Selamat petang semua. Tuhan memberkati. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.